Also, that's for you, Val. Excuse me. And have a good rest of your anniversary, Reese. Love you.
Oh, come on. I was over that pallet.
Alright. Buff out any creases. Delta, happy time, I guess. Yeah, boy. Where is... Wraith is kind of similar to Waifu over here. I want to see.
Add-ons? Like the purple, like, you remember the purple PlayStation chat? I just wanted to send it, or...
I'm a vat of tapioca. So on the chat and stuff, and you just passively see one, just like, just cleanse it. Yes. Yes, Moon Kitten. No, it's okay. Why are you in the hospital? I gotta fix something. Why do I gotta drink? I mean, I will. But I'm really not. Ongoing. Anymore though. Hi, Alfina. Fucking. You know what I mean.
No. Yeah, she wants to go cliff diving. Okay, I will. There you go. It's like Michael.
Oh, here's a big burp for you guys.
See notification that every time _Doctor Productions is not responsible for cutting, self-injury, or killing others with his yeet. Got complaints? 2 words for you, no refunds. Did you ever do an all-night stream? It looks really good, too. Hey, go no!
Moist. Yeah, boy.
That's so refreshing.
Yeah.
Between them.
Hi, Job. You get super. So what are we doing? So.
I don't know, man. I'm like,
The other day, I literally shit. Yeah.
Except when I'm drinking.
and it's cooking.
Nice.